Hello, I'm Vidya, your tutor. Let's learn metals and nonmetals together, step by step. Metals and nonmetals behave very differently. We'll compare their properties, rank metals by reactivity, and see how they form ionic bonds. Metals are usually shiny, hard, good conductors, and can be hammered into sheets. Nonmetals are dull, brittle, and poor conductors. There are exceptions. Mercury is a liquid metal, graphite conducts. Metals are ranked by reactivity, from potassium at the top to gold at the bottom. A more reactive metal can displace a less reactive one from its salt solution. Metals lose electrons to become positive ions. Nonmetals gain them to become negative ions. The opposite charges attract, forming a strong ionic bond. Sodium gives one electron to chlorine. Sodium becomes a positive ion, chlorine a negative ion, and together they form sodium chloride, common salt. To recap, metals are shiny conductors, nonmetals are not. The reactivity series ranks metals, and metals and nonmetals form ionic bonds by transferring electrons. Well done. Great work! Keep learning with Vidya and visit CBSETest.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice tests.